Are Disney tickets eating your entire vacation budget? What if I told you that families are saving hundreds, even in 2025, without cutting the magic? Today I'm showing you how to unlock big savings on tickets, Lightning Lane Multi-Pass, and Lightning Lane Single Pass, and more. First up, ticket strategies. Go midweek. Tuesday to Thursday prices are lower than weekends. Use authorized discount sellers like Undercover Tourist or Getaway Today. If you're a Costco member, look for travel bundles with ticket plus hotel deals. Florida residents or military families, always ask for special pricing. Lightning Lane Multi-Pass and Lightning Lane Single Pass can cost up to $35 a person per day. Here's how to beat the system. Use rope drop to knock out the big rides early. Skip Lightning Lane Multi-Pass and Lightning Lane Single Pass at parks like Animal Kingdom. Most rides don't need it. Only buy Lightning Lane Multi-Pass and Lightning Lane Single Pass on your most packed day. Watch for late day price drops. Sometimes happens after 2 p.m. Park hopper sounds tempting, but it's not always worth it. If you're traveling with kids or on a tight schedule, sticking to one park per day saves around $60 per person over a multi-day trip. Don't sleep on the free magic at Disney. Free buttons for birthdays or first visits, free water cups at quick service restaurants. Use the Play Disney Parks app for interactive queue games, fireworks from outside the parks. Try the beach at Polynesian or TTC. That's how families are getting more Disney for less in 2025. Grab my free Disney Budget Planner PDF in the description below. And hey, if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips every week here on All Red Travel.